How to find working Popeyes promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Popeyes promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Popeyes. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one website, coupon follow. Once you're in the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Popeyes. Just scroll down and check out the offers. $12 off, 20% off, 40% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy the code, then click on redeem at Popeyes and you can use it. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Popeyes. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working promo code for Popeyes. So this is how you can easily find working Popeyes promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.